Hey everyone, Miguel here and welcome to the channel. Hey man, it's been such an amazing journey here on Cryptex. Well, I've been a part of Cryptex almost 1 year now, and actually yesterday I released a video that was my day one, but my day one almost that 1 year ago. And now I will try eventually once or twice a week to do these videos showing you my journey. But guys, I won't be doing any back office videos, so I will just show you some of the details of my staking profits, okay, here with this amazing hybrid smart contract that we have here with Cryptex. And today, if I'm not wrong, it would be my day 349, if I'm not wrong at all. So imagine almost 1 year. I believe it's on the 5th of September that I will be making 1 year on Cryptex. So as you can see, guys, this project, this incredible smart contract has been running flawlessly for the last 9 years. My sponsor, man, she's in for 27, almost 28 months, and man, I have no idea, but she's made a boatload of money. And I know that there are some people on our team that are gonna receive their profits from the staking case, from the contracts. Now, before we had only the 3 years, 5 years, and 7 years, but now we have the amazing 2-year contract, so 24 months, that you can much faster start receiving some very nice profits. Okay, so if you would like that, down below I have a link for you to join me here on Cryptex. You will join my email list, and from there you will be able to watch some more videos with some much further details, and from there on you will be able to follow me. Okay, you can contact me on Facebook, on X, or eventually on Telegram. All right, and now guys, let's go. I'm gonna show you my profits, okay, my staking returns for today. So today is August 20th of 2025, and now this was just a screenshot that I just took, okay, and let me see, I believe it's this exactly. Okay, so as you can see, guys, I started with the 5-year contract. So we have a $100 activation fee, and 5 years, and they have 43,200 starting capital. Okay, it's a loan that the bank loans us, and I have today the profit was 0.19%. As you can see, $137 from the total staked balance that I have right now, which is almost $69,000. Okay, so this is compounding every single day, and obviously the staking profits that we have isn't that much. Okay, they usually vary between 0.11 and 0.19% from my experience. And obviously, guys, this has made me a total profit from my staking on this almost 1 year of over $25,500. Okay, so this is very, very powerful. You can start today. Okay, down below, again, join me here. If you have any doubts, leave some comments. Okay, some sterling comments. And guys, if I start also getting some good traction here on the channel, I might eventually do some giveaways and some of that good stuff. Okay, guys, thank you so much for listening. Okay, don't forget also down below to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so that you can receive all my latest updates. I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for listening, and I will see you on the next one.